The raging waters of River Jhelum are a major worry for Kashmiris these days. Heavy rains have caused the river to flood. The water has entered several villages, submerging homes. To make matters worse, the people have been left to fend for themselves, with no government help reaching them. The danger of diseases spreading through the floodwaters lurks. Though the flow has receded, the Met Department has warned of more rains in the coming days.
सिचुएशन तो बहुत ही क्रिटिकल बनी हुई है, जहां से आप देखेंगे कि पूरे इलाके के लोग यहां पे जमा हुए हैं, क्योंकि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से कोई ऐसा इंतजाम नहीं लग रहा है कि जिससे हमें सिक्योरिटी लगे या सेफ्टी लगे। तो लोग भी यहां जमा हुए हैं। हालांकि कुछ बंदे हैं फ्लड ठेकेदार साहब जो आए हुए हैं, बैग्स लगा रहे, लेकिन जिस पेस से ये काम चल रहा है बहुत ही स्लो चल रहा है।
Heavy rains are wreaking havoc in Jammu as well. More than 50 homes, roads and bridges have been damaged in the region. Jammu-Srinagar Highway, Kashmir's only road link with the rest of the nation, could reopen only on Friday afternoon after a 2-day shutdown due to landslides in Ramban and Udhampur districts. Water flooded into several border security force posts in Samba's Ramgarh sector. It even swept away a part of the border fence, but no one has been harmed.
बिल्डिंग वगैरह का हुआ है, दो हमारी कैनल होता है, एक डॉग्स को रखने का, एक जनरेटर रूम वगैरह, इनको डैमेज हुआ है, एक आध ओपी टावर वगैरह को डैमेज हुआ है, लेकिन और कोई मेजर डैमेज नहीं है। लॉस टू ह्यूमन लाइफ वो हमारा सबसे बड़ा फर्ज था कि कोई ना हो।
Heavy rains took a toll on commuters in Delhi as well. Friday morning saw a steady downpour in most of the national capital region, leading to waterlogging in several areas. Metro services were also affected on the blue line that goes from Noida to Dwarka. Many office goers were left stranded. Clearly, despite tall claims of municipal authorities, it just takes the skies to open up for a few hours for the NCR to come to a standstill. With bureau inputs, Sakal Bhatt's report, DD News.